incredible day it's been. So to start off the morning, I did some work, then I headed to the border. I had a slow border crossing, maybe an hour and a half, 2 hour wait to get over the border, but everything worked out there. The visa I got yesterday was accepted, and they printed it into my passport, and I got through the border. So then I arrived in mainland China, in Shenzhen, and I caught a taxi to see one of my suppliers, Kathy. And so as soon as I met her, she took me out for lunch, and she's treated me to a nice meal. So we have snails right here, and then we have fish that's actually being cooked right now. We have tofu. We have these things plus 2 beers. So I got the idea she was trying to get me drunk. Went back to her office. She piled me up with free samples. So now I've got lots and lots of free samples to take back with me. And then we went out. We went to a huge electronics market, like 4 floors, lots and lots of different types of electronics, and they're all kind of wholesale market stalls. So if you're interested in something, you could buy like 100 units off them or whatever. And then we went for a massage. So it ended up being about 2 hours. So we've enjoyed a nice trip around the markets, Kathy, and now we're having a back massage and foot massage as well. So it looks like I'm getting a pedicure as well.
那个大巴司机还是开到对面车道，然后冲到桥底下去的。
I'm not quite sure what he's doing, but he's sticking these bamboo things in the bottom. So much suction on them. Anyway, that's a pretty nice, relaxing experience. And then I decided I was supposed to be going to Guangzhou tonight and stay there, but I've decided to stay here because it's getting quite late and I don't really fancy travelling now. So I was going to be very cheap and go for one of these budget pod hotels where you're kind of literally sleeping in the size of your body. I think it'd be quite a fun experience. But then Kathy has put me up in this hotel room. So now I'm in a pretty nice hotel for the night. She's really spoilt me today. Lots of food, massages, samples, hotel, you name it. I could do a few more of these supplier visits, to be honest. So I'm meeting kind of another supplier person I've worked with before tonight for dinner, and then in the morning I'm heading to Guangzhou for the Canton Fair. So I'm really looking forward to that. That'll be 5 days of solid trade fairing. So I'm here for dinner in Shenzhen with Michelle, who's a supplier I've been working with maybe like last 6 months. Perhaps we're out for dinner and we've got a nice spread here. So we've got like some kind of shellfish. What are these?
Yeah, fish.
Shellfish. And we've got this is chili, lots and lots of chili. So we've just been delivered another plate. Look how many chilies. Very nice. Thought I'd capture this moment. It's 12:40 in the morning. I'm having a bit of a mare because I kept this hotel card at the hotel I'm staying at, which is provided by a supplier, which means I have no details of it on my phone. And I thought this would be enough, but it turns out these hotels are literally everywhere, and this means nothing. I can't find the hotel. So now people are helping me. Is that it? Okay. Okay. This kind gentleman here is helping me trying to find it. Not really sure what's happening. Okay, so I made it back to the hotel. That kind gentleman found me the right hotel